morning. Good morning po. Nagising lang ng BBO. Nanonood siya. Magano ko. Magluto ako ng breakfast namin. Nawala ko yung lens na itong camera ko. Nalaglag siguro sa city. Nung naglakad kami. Dami namin nilakad kagabi eh. Tapos nag-video ko. Siguro nalaglag. Nakadikit kasi siya sa may cover eh.
Listen now.
Hi! Anong gulo na ang bata? Okay? Kain tayo? Okay. Medyo maambon na. Kaya doon na lang kami sa Carino na mall. Layo ng pinark namin pero okay lang. Kasi wala nang parkingan eh. Yeah. It's okay.
If we went straight, there was another set.
Ang sarap ng mga tinapay, oh.
Multi-stories,
Kain kami sa Korean barbecue.
Are they open or do we have?
Hi. Hi. Gusto niya daw mag-swimming.
Look. You need your phone to order up. What do you want? It's like, have a look at that.
Hi. Wow. Hi. Busy oh. Parang inaantok na to siya. Maganda dito. Wala pang masyadong tao. Dito binigyan namin siya ng spoon. Naboboring siya eh. Gusto niya daw mag-swimming. Sabi ko, bukas na lang tayo mag-swimming kayo din. Ito na yung order namin. May ano kami, miso soup. Ito parang salad. Yung mga sauce. Kimchi.
Plus all your extra dishes.
You okay?
Good.
That's yours. Gutom na daw siya. You hungry? Yeah.
doctor who could heal your broken heart, analyze each bruise and hear your story from the start, and stitch up every tiny tear with a ribbon and a bow. Prescribe you some new medicine that makes you feel less alone. No, I am not a doctor, just an ordinary girl, but I know the way your chest aches, the way your head swirls when abandoned, beat and broken down by the one who knew you best. I was sleeping when he cut my veins to fuel a new on life out west. No, I am not a doctor, but I've got some extra time. I've got some drugs I keep in stock called vodka and red wine. Oh, we both know that you're not gonna sleep tonight. I am not a doctor, but maybe you could let me try. So I put my hand against your head. I recommend that you stay in bed. Your temperature is getting pretty high. Well, I'll help you get undressed and put your drink on ice. No, I'll never be a doctor. I hated science class, but my parents like to say how I pick up new skills pretty fast. And I bet deep down we both got talents yet to discover. So let's buckle down, get to work, help you recover.
Tapos na kami kumain. Grabe, busog ko. Naubos namin lahat eh. Ubos. This one. Bili kami ng milk tea.
You can have milk tea. I'll just share with you.
Yeah. Nag-order kami ng mango. Is that mango iced tea?
Yeah, you bought mango last time.
Wow. Wait. Ang ganda ng kulay yellow. Favorite to ni mama eh.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Oh.
Yeah.
Eh, tulog na ang kayo din namin oh. May bilay down mo. Natok na ang baby namin oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Big. Yeah.
This was a good size. Starting to outgrow it now.
Yeah. Nakita to ni Kaden oh. Kaso natulog siya eh.
This one.
Yeah, I like that one. Okay. No, like keep going. Maybe there's more in there.
Do you want to check down on the bank section?
Yeah?
Or do you want to check that here?
Wait, I'll check here. Oh, here. Ganito yung gusto ko, oh. Pabili yung mga ganito, oh. Para kay Kaden. Ito, gusto ko ito bilhin. Ganda ng kulay, eh.
Hello.
Lakad-lakad muna kami. Si Kaden tulog pa. Ayan. Tulog pa siya. Mamaya pakainin namin yan siya. Nagising yan siya. Pakainin namin. Ayan, baby ni mama. Oh. Hi.
How are you?
Tired?
No, I'm alright. I'm tired actually.
Yeah.
He's not.
He's not.
There must be a clothes around here somewhere.
Saan?
Why am I not?
Ang init.
Big car, small area.
Okay.
Exit? Which way?
Hi!
All gaming desks from $169.
Merong ano yan, lakas na yan kasi nakatulog eh. Ang haba rin ng tulog ni Kaden. Puro mga ano rin yun, 1 hour and a half. Opo. We go swimming. Ay, camera. You wanna go swimming, yeah? Yes. Gusto na daw mag-swimming. Busy-busy na.
All our roads and railways to every part of the state. Construction training fund is leading the way.
How are you?
For a more skilled and
alright.
sustainable
Yeah.
construction industry. WA.
Ready to go and rest.
Yeah.
In progress. Search CTF to find out more. Authorized stick on the berth.
Hi! Hello! Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi. No, baby, no? Kanina pa kami nakauwi eh. Nagpahinga-pahinga lang kami pagdating namin dito. Napagod kami sa nilakad namin ngayon. Si Joshua nagpapahinga. Napagod kami ngayon. Pinuntahan lang namin, yun lang, pero napagod kami. Pagod pa kasi kami nung biyahe kahapon eh. Hi! Siya. Hello! Naglalaro siya ng ano eh. Ng laruan niya kanina. Buti na lang dinala ko rin to. Nalilibang din siya eh. Oh. Nagluto ako ng nuggets niya. Oh. Hala. Nag-woolworths kami kanina eh. Lalagay ko yan mamaya sa ano. Sa rep yung mga binili namin na ano. Mga nuggets na kayo din tsaka ano. Schnitzel. Toothbrush mo yan po. Bibi, kunin mo yung mga laruan mo doon, baby. Please. Lagay mo dito. Kalat ng bata. Hala. Hala, ang boto. Nagkakalat. Ano to, baby? Mag-haul tayo? Meron natin yung mga pinamili namin sa Woolworths. Yep. Namili kami ng ano, strawberry blending. Snack ni Kaden. Kasi baka bukas, magpunta kami ng zoo. Wow! Ito rin, snack ni Kaden to. Para bukas. Tapos bumili ako ng biscuit niya. Kasi paubos na yung dinala namin. Wait lang. Mamaya, open kayo mamaya. Tapos snack namin. Ito, favorite ni Joshua eh. Bumili kami ng full cream milk. Hindi pala ako nakadala ng full cream milk. Tapos snack ulit ni Kaden. Bumili ako ng toothbrush niya. Ano yan na, baby? Sponge para dito. Ayoko yung sponge nila eh. Bumili ako ng 3 Gatorade. 3 yung binili ko. Para kay Joshua. Ito sa akin. Bumili ako nito. Snack din namin para bukas. Tomato sauce. Ayoko i-open yan kasi bukas niya pa yan eh. Tsaka itong mayonnaise. Blueberry juice ni Kaden. Bumili ako ng mangga. So, bumili ako nito para laban namin yung mga damit namin. Oops! Bumili ako ng sugar.
Oh, wow.
Yung oats ni Kaden.
Yeah?
Bumili kami ng isang whites ni Kaden kasi ubus na yung whites ni Kaden.
baby. Daddy wants to go to sleep.
This one.
Saging.
Daddy. Oh.
Yung plastic pang... Ay, bebe, no. Gusto magbigay ka dali? Sige, bigay mo kaya nila. Hulong niya, bibigay niya daw yung... bibigay niya daw yung Gatorade sa daddy niya. Careful, bumili kami nito. Yung plastic para sa napi ni Kaden.
Oh, tire.
Yeah.
They have tire?
Yeah.
Daddy have a drink. Do you want some blueberry juice?
Do you want blueberry juice?
You want some blueberry juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy? You want a little cup thing? Or not? Daddy loves you. You want some blueberry juice, yeah? I love you so much. What do you think for dinner?
Tire? Hungry, another one?
More juice? No, Daddy only needs one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fire.
Power.
It's power.
Yeah. Careful, ah.
Mama, drop.
Linisan ko dito.
Something. Kasi we need the fire.
Ito yung dinner ko ngayon.
Can you put that back to the bed, next to the bed?
Niluto ni Ate Bibi. Binigay sa akin ni Sel. Ni Ate Bibi.
How's your soup?
Kain.
Tomorrow.
Need it. Bring water. Bring water. They're tiny. They're tiny water.
Is my bag too?
Hey, they're tiny.
Ang dakar. Where's your water bottle, Bibi? Masarap ng phone.